number 2. Like I said, the sauce works. Oh my god. Oh. See if I can do it. There you go, you guys. Number 2 on the secret sauce. Get